Hi everyone, welcome back to Nationwide Immigration Services official YouTube channel. Today we have one more success story, and this success story is story of Miss Pooja Malhotra. She is one of our wonderful clients. She has received her work permit from Alberta, that too at the age of 43. A lot of people are talking about LMIAs, close work permit today. That is, it's not possible these days. People are talking about LMIAs are not happening and work permits are not getting approved from India. But we have a success story right in front of you of Miss Pooja Malhotra. Can you please show the passport to the audience? So I would like to tell you about the journey of Miss Pooja Malhotra. She started her process with us last year.
Yes, sir.
That was which month?
6th of August, 2020.
Have we completed 1 year?
Yes, sir.
So we have already completed 1 year. So in 1 year of time, she got her LMIA, she got her close work permit, and visas are right in front of you. She has got one visa for herself, and one visa is for her kid.
Yeah, my
Right.
son,
And his name is
Piyush Malhotra.
Mr. Piyush Malhotra is 18 years. And so how was your experience with nationwide immigration? So first of all, my question to you is, should people trust nationwide immigration in respect of money, in respect of their services?
Definitely, yes. Because when I reached Nationwide, I don't know Rajiv sir, I don't know anyone here in the staff, but I just came with the faith that we are Guruji followers. I just saw the Guruji Swaroop at the office at the entrance itself,
Okay.
and I just have a faith. I don't know how I get to know this. Like one day I will definitely get into it, and one day I'll definitely before any whatsoever may be the rumors in the world and in the social media ever, I will get it, and I come with the faith of Guruji itself that I will get it one day, and definitely my faith comes true. And after one or two meetings with Rajiv sir, he gave me this surety that me and my son definitely get it within a span of 6 to 7 months. And due to some changes in the Canadian policies, in the Canadian government, it increases the period. I don't mind with that because I understand it's not anybody's fault. It's only the fault of the government, or they may change the rules periodically. So, as far as my cost is concerned, or as far as the services are concerned, I am blessed to have these people in my life because this is my first chance. I have put so much of money to get these visas. Me and my son, we both got it within a lifespan of only 1 year.
Very nice, very
Yeah.
nice, very nice. So many congratulations to your
Thank
family
you, sir.
for receiving your work permit and study visa for Canada. So what is special in this case? That you're getting your work permit from India. This is one thing which is special in this case. The
Yeah.
second thing which is special in this case is your age. At the age of 43,
Yes.
people don't get work permits because
Correct.
Canada immigration officer always sees what is the profile of the candidate, what is the age of the candidate, how would that person will come to Canada on LMIA and will contribute to the economy of Canada. So IRCC officer, while assessing your application, looks after these factors. So getting the visa at the age of 43 requires an amazing SOP, an
Yes.
amazing reasonable statement of purpose to move to Canada.
Yes.
Only then you can achieve your work permit. So in that, nationwide immigration services is
Yes.
specialized.
Yes.
Right?
I'm
So-
putting something to you, sir. It's adding to this. My SOP and my son's SOP was perfectly, very well organized. And by this, I think this is the only reason that they have explained everything so perfectly. They took time, but the time period considered is not anything if you are getting a 100% result. And I am very much satisfied. As far as cost is concerned, that cost is no, like what they have promised me, they have done it, and I am very much happy with the services also. Each and every teamwork, their staff, they are very cooperative, and whenever I ask anything from them, they have put me into the call and connect with Rajiv sir and clear all my doubts. And today I have come to him for the final meeting. After reaching Canada, definitely we'll have in touch with Rajiv sir also. But still, I have some queries and all to clear it out. And definitely, I'm ready to land with my son to travel. This is my last meeting with Rajiv sir. And I do ask you people, like whomsoever is watching this video, please do come to Nationwide. This is my success story. Tomorrow it will be your success story.
Thank you very much, so much. And I wish you and your family an amazing journey in Canada.
Thank you, sir.
That's going to be your second chapter of your career.
Thank you,
so
sir.
I wish that Canada treats you well. People of Canada treats you well. We will be there to help you if you need anything.
Thank you.
I hope you contribute to the economy of Canada as well.
Thank you,
and
sir.
be the integral part of the system. Best wishes from complete Nationwide Immigration Service team, and thank you so much for choosing us for your Canada immigration
Thank you
process.
so much, sir.
And one more thing I would like to know from you.
Yeah.
That is, like, did you visit some other consultancies as well before enrolling Nationwide Immigration?
I want to tell you, this is just a miracle of a God. I visited Nehru Place for
How many consultancies did you visit?
I have not visited any consultancies before this. I have come here for going to any another consultancy, but I don't know how come I come here. How come Nationwide video has come to my eyes from the YouTube channel, and I don't know. I don't know. It's a miracle or what, I don't know. I came here and I found my way, and I found my faith here on the very first moment I came here, and this is. The day of in 365 days I'm here, and with perfect visas with me. I have not visited anywhere, and I'm happy that whatever I thought that they will come to my expectations, and they have come through.
Can people trust Rajiv Arora, and can people trust Nationwide?
Definitely, Rajiv Arora is something like he is not something. He is a good person, good at heart, and he has not put me into any doubts. Like on the very first meeting, he has told me that don't wind up everything before you get the visa, and that I like much, because I was about to wind my house, my stuffs. That, sir, now I am about to get my visa. So he inspired me with this, and he.
जब भी मेरे पास लोग आते हैं मुझे बोलते हैं कि क्या मैं wind up कर दूं, I always say no.
Yes.
You should not wind up until you get such kind of passports in your hands, which are stamped by Canadian immigration with your work permits. अगर आपके पास वर्क परमिट है कनाडा का, तब आप अपने बिजनेस को, अपनी चीजों को वाइंड अप करना शुरू कीजिए इंडिया के अंदर. उससे पहले कुछ वाइंड अप नहीं करना है. A lot of people make a mistake. A lot of consultants advise them कि हाँ खत्म करो, बेच दो, सामान बेच दो, घर बेच दो, तैयारी कर लो, और बाद में क्या पता चलता है, नकली वीजाज होते हैं उनके पास, जाली LMIs होते हैं उनके पास. हम इमिग्रेशन कंसल्टेंट्स होकर के भी हमें भी लोग फेक LMI सेंड कर देते हैं जब हम बिजनेस टू बिजनेस में कभी बात करते हैं, कभी कंपनी से बात करते हैं. तो a lot of people are sending fake LMIs to us as well. हम तो कंसल्टेंट्स हैं, मुझे तो एक मिनट में पता चल जाता है कि which is the genuine LMI, which is not. A lot of fraud is happening in the market. बट मेरा जो एक विजन है कंपनी का, वो ये है कि मैं अपनी ऑडियंस को, जितने भी लोगों को प्रिवेंट कर सकता हूँ फ्रॉम द फ्रॉड, मैं वो करूं और रियल कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज, जेन्युइन कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज दूं. हो सकता है कि 2 पैसे सस्ती हूं या महंगी हूं, मैं उस पर क्लेम नहीं करना चाहता, मैं उस पर कमेंट नहीं करना चाहता, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो सर्विसेज मिलेंगी ना आपको, वो जेन्युइन मिलेंगे आपको. उसमें आपको कुछ फ्रॉड कुछ नहीं मिलेगा आपको. ये हमारी नेशनवाइड की.
मुझे भी बहुत लोगों ने ये डराया था, यू हैव पुट सो मच ऑफ मनी इन नेशनवाइड. इट्स नॉट नेशनवाइड, यू हैव पुट मनी इन द एजेंसी लाइक इमिग्रेशन. तो आपने इतना पैसा लगा दिया, क्या वो सक्सेसफुल होगा? क्योंकि इतना फ्रॉड है मार्केट में कि इतना पैसा लगाना, इट्स नॉट अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ 1000 रुपीज़, इट्स क्वेश्चन ऑफ lakhs रुपीज़. सो इतना पैसा लगाने के बाद ये डर तब तक बना रहता है जब तक ये वीज़ा नहीं आता है, जब तक परफेक्ट LMI. आई एम हैविंग very good LMI and genuine LMI with me along with this visa. 3 years visa I got. Usually 2 years visa people got, and this is God's grace. I got 3 years visa, and also the grace of Rajiv sir also. He and his team done tremendous work out there. In my case, we are two only, me and my son. So I have no husband. So my husband passed away 2.5 years back. So he helped me all the way in this journey, and I also recommend you for come to Nationwide for your every purpose, like LMI, like study visa. My son got the study visa, 2 years study permit, and I got 3 years work visa.
Pooja ji, can you please tell to the audience that what is your education and
Yes.
what was your NOC code?
Yes, sir. My education is I'm commerce graduate and MBA in finance, and also I am CS.
And, what is your position in this LMIA?
I'm into accounting services in Canada, Edmonton itself.
Thank you once again for joining us, and I congratulate you once again for choosing, and I thank you for choosing Nationwide Immigration Services, and congratulate you once again.
Thank you so much,
to your
sir.
entire family. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
And if you also want to move to Canada through an LMIA, through a work permit, a visitor visa, study visa, or business immigration, contact Nationwide Immigration Services, which is India's #1 immigration company. No one can match us in results.
Yes.
All the very best.
Thank you. I got my work permit of Canada, so I trust Mr. Rajiv Arora and Nationwide.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.